Hi, in this lesson you will learn how to make a list of any HTML elements, paragraph, images, or even links. There are three types of lists: ordered list and unordered list. And there is another one called description list. The difference between ordered list and unordered list: the items of the ordered list marked with dots, or you can call it bullets, and we can change it using style attribute. On the other hand, the unordered list items marked with numbers by default. We can change it using type attribute. So let me create two lists. One contain paragraph and another one contain links. So let me make the first one unordered list, UL, short for unordered list. So UL tag, it's like a container or the box for the items. Then to add the items, we will use list tag. For example, meat, and then the second item, and finally the last one. So let me save and see how it looks like. So read the list. The items marked with dots or bullets like this. And let me make the second type of the list, which is ordered list. And of course the tag will be OL, short for ordered list. And the same thing, we will add the items using list tag, and let me make it for links. So inside the list tag, let me make a link and just make it hashtag. And let me call it HTML and make another one. But we forgot to close here a tag. I'll let me call this and let me make another one. So let me save and see. Nice. So it's marked with numbers by default. So we can change here the dots or the bullets, and here we can change the numbers. So for the unordered list, we will use style attribute, style, and there is a style called list style type, and we can remove it. So it will make it none. We can also make it circle. We can make it square. And here to change the marker, we will use type attribute equal to, so it's by default numbers. So we can make it letters like this, uppercase letter. So it will start from A till Z. We can make it lowercase letters. So we will use lowercase a, and we can make it Roman numbers uppercase like this, or lowercase. So here is a couple of lists. Just remain the last one, which is description list. The description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. So for example, let we make a description list for images. So to make description list, we will use DL tag, short for description list. And then let we add the items. Then let we add the image, which consider the term now. DT, description term. So the image called HTML dot PNG. But first, let we type the name of the folder, which is pictures, and then let we add the description for this image. So description data, and then the description, which is might be a paragraph or link as you like. So let we type something. HTML used to make or create web pages. Then let we add another term, which will be a picture for JavaScript. .jpg. Then let we add the description. But let we add height and width for the pictures. So let we save and see how it looks like. So here is the picture and here is a description below each picture. So here is the whole type of lists. We have ordered list and unordered list, and finally description list. And we have seen how we can use each one of them. I will give you an example. Of course, you know pagination. So here is the pagination like this. So all these links. So one is the first page or the home page for the website. If we click 2, it will take you to another web page for the same website. So it's created by list. So I hope now you realize how list can help you to make great things. So I hope you all the best of luck and see you next time.